need to take off all the covers from the scanner. And then the RFID board is located inside of the tray assembly. So first, you need to take off those two screws in here. We have 1, 2, 3 screws, but you only need those 1 and 2 screws need to disassemble. Okay, later then, you can see this is the old version of the tray, so it's using piano wire. But nowadays it is the torsion spring is connected through this tray plastic area, so you need to disassemble this one. I hope that you can see well. Yeah, it's connected through this area, so you need to disassemble those parts. In this time, yeah, please be aware of the torsion spring, because you might lose the torsion spring. This area also, this one is already the spring is disconnected, so I'm gonna just disassemble this part. Okay, and then prepare the micro driver. After you can see, this is the limit switch of the movement of the tray. So yeah, try to disassemble this screw. And then you can see, I hope that you can see this 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws are here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you need to disassemble this one also. Okay, actually then it needs to be, these are some of the 4 screws, 3 and 4, but I just did it. So after that, push it to the back side. Take off this plastic cover. And you can see this is the RFID board. And then try to lift it up softly. You can see the 8-pin cable from the bottom board is connected with the RFID board. So yes, let's take it off. Okay. After that, bring the new RFID board and let's connect it. As I mentioned before, the blue area of this flat cable is need to come to outside. I hope that you can remember that. Okay. After that, okay, push it into the tray, and yeah, please don't forget the limit switch position, and then okay, take off the plastic cover. I'm gonna adjust the screws in here. I will try it again. And then, please don't forget the limit switch. The position need to go that way. Then, yes, start this area. After that, you can see this is the yellow one. We call it LM guide. You need to connect to this area. After that, I'm gonna reassemble those 2 screws. Okay, after that, you can see the Trojan spring. You need to connect the tray again. So I'm gonna lift it up a little bit. And then try to be softly, because if you make it a little bit tough, then you might lose the Trojan spring, and it means the tray movement will not gonna go properly. So this part also, this one is already like using the broken one, so yeah. Just fix it for this area. See, this is the how to replace the RFID board. Thank you so much for watching video. If you have any